friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set wallpaper from gallery. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you are going to find this feature. After that you have to move on display. Here is the display, so click on it. After you have been click on display, just scroll a little bit and here you are going to find wallpaper option, so move on wallpaper. After you have been move on, here you are going to find the my photos option. Okay, so click on my photos. When you click on my photos, you can select from here any photos that you want to set. Suppose I click here on this photo option, then here is this tick option. Click on this tick option. After you have been click on this tick option, here you are going to find the three options. The first option is home screen, second is lock screen, and the third is home screen and lock screen. So if you want to set for the home screen, you just click on home screen and this wallpaper will be set successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.